What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Ford remote key fob. This key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing we're going to be using is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our fob, flip the blade out, and then we hold it with the buttons facing down and the logo facing up. And we take a look right here. We see there's this notch right here. What we're going to do is put our screwdriver in that notch and then carefully pry up on the back cover. So go ahead and pry up and get that cover off. And now we see our battery right here. And if it's not already popped out, you can use your screwdriver to help you get under the edge of it. Grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up like that. Snap that into place, and then we'll snap the back cover on, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.